Hello guys, welcome to my channel again. Today we're going to talk about Microsoft Word. We're gonna go to certain lessons about using Microsoft Words, and if you guys have any questions about Microsoft Word, feel free to leave a comment, and I will clear your question right away. Right now, let's start with insertion points. Insertion point means that we gonna type in Microsoft Word in any place where we want to. Example, like right here. I already did this one right here. I'm sorry. Let's get rid of it. Let's see that we forgot to put one sentence. We click an insertion point at the beginning of the paragraph. We type, sorry, forgot to insert this sentence. You see, notice, move the rest of the paragraph right here and move, it won't delete it. All this got moved. And even here, let's see, we put a point, a dot, and we click enter. And we'll move the file, the sentence, all the way to the bottom and starting a new paragraph. We decide not to do it, we can just go here in the insertion point, go back through here, and we can even delete a sentence. Now we don't have the sentence anymore. Okay?
In the paragraph group on
Okay, now let's talk about showing how to formatting marks. That way we can guide us when it's the beginning or the end of each paragraph group in the top. So if we go to home, right here, home, and we click the paragraph, it's going to show us the beginning of each paragraph and the end. Sometimes it helps us to know where we're going to start, where it's finished. And we click again right here, it will disappear. Okay, now let's talk about spelling. If you guys notice here in the document that I create, it shows two words that are underlined in red. What does that mean is the it's misspelled. So the easy way to fix it is if we go the cursor, we click on it right here and right click, it's gonna give us the words that we can replace it with, the right spell. In this case, we use reflect and change it by itself. Right here, we notice it's misspelled. We click on it, right click, and we can replace it with 4, which is the spelling right. Another feature that we can work on it too is, let's see, we want this header, building association rules and regulations, more in the center. If we click on it right here, we go right there in the home ribbon and click center, and we'll move the whole title right in the middle. We can actually move it to, if we want to move it all the way to the right side, and move it to the right side. The same back to the left side. Okay, now let's see, let's talk about changing the font and the size of the font. We can select, let's see, we select the title. You just click here, insert point, all the way to the end of the insert point, and we want to change the size. It will give you the menu right here, but we have it right here too. Let's see, we want to make it a little bit bigger, so let's change it to 36. You can put 48, 36, 28. Let's do 36. But not just that, we want to change the font too. Right here, we click the down arrow, and we have all the type of fonts that Microsoft Word provide for us. Let's pick and say Broadway style. And if you guys notice, while moving the mouse, the cursor, it will change it to show me how it look. Let's book that one. And now we have a different font. What else we can do here? We can select it again. We can change the color. We don't want it black. Let's change it to another color. Let's see, red. Now we have it red. Another feature that we can play with it is, let's see if we want to change the case words. What does that mean is, here we said, let's select rules and regulations. If we select here, click over here, and drag it all the way to rules and regulations, and we go to right here where it say change case, we can tell them that we want, let's see, capitalize each word. We click on it, and now all the words are capitalized. We can tell them that we just want all uppercase, and change it to all uppercase. You guys can get a Microsoft Word and play with it. It's simple, it's easy. The more you use it, and easier it gets. Sentence case. Select it again. Sentence case. And put it back where we had it. Now let's talk about text effect. That is really simple, and we have so many to choose from. Let's see that here the title, Building Association Rules and Regulations. We want to change it, make it more fun, make it more visible. We select on it, and we click here where it said Text Effect and Typography. And we click the down arrow, and we have all the styles that we can change. Have you noticed how it's changing every time we move it over here? It will change right there. We can go to the shadow part, create shadows. Notice changes. Reflection. You can create reflections. Like I said, you guys can play with it, and it has so many features that you can play with. And There we go. You change it to something more, let's see, more professional, more visual, more easy to read and to work on it. And one of the things that you guys can change, let's say you guys change it and then you guys forget, you want to put it back the way it was, but you don't remember how it was. We have the feature right here in the corner, the undo button. If you click on it and put it how we had it right before we do any changes. If we click on it, it keep doing changes to everything I've been doing. Now let's apply bullets. I'm sorry. Bullets is have you guys seen in the documents with a specific list or sections that we have bullets. What is bullets? Bullets is um, let me show you. Let's see the here say restatement and rules. This is one sentence. This is another sentence that shows the rules of falling to the four categories. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, but we want to make it more visual, more that shows that each one of those is a different type of rule. The easy way is we click in the beginning of the sentence, we highlight, dragging our mouse to the other words, and we're going to tell them to put a bullet. It's going to put a bullet in the beginning of each paragraph. Okay, if we go right here, we say bullets, we click bullets, and now it creates bullets. Now we have bullets for each one of them. Now let's see that we like how this look, but we want to change the top of the letters, the word that it shows a little bit more. It will pop up more than the when we read the documents. We can change it different ways. We can, let's see, we highlight all those, and we want to make it more italic. Now it shows a little more cursive. We can make it bold. We can even change the color. Let's see, let's change the color. We want um, let's see, blue, this blue. Now we have bullets, italic, and blue. We can also underline a specific words that we want. Let's see, we want this right here. We want to underline. Now we have those underlined. Now let's talk about themes. Themes is already set up by Microsoft Word with colors and designs. Let's see, we want to change the theme, the whole document. We click in the beginning of the paragraph right here. Okay, we go to designs, and we can go to colors of the theme, and let's see, we change it to office. Now we have this color, or this color of the pages. We can even change it to titles, headings. You can play with those and see which one you like better. Go back to colors. And like I mentioned before, let's see, if you do those changes you don't want to, easy way, remember the arrow right here, the undo, you click on it and put everything back again. Keep going until you come back to where you want it.